Hi, everyone. How are you tonight? I'm Miss Lambert. This is Sapphire Position Coding, Sapphire Medical Billing. I'm coming on tonight because I want to show some of you guys who are new beginners, especially to Sapphire Position Coding. A lot of people are asking me, well, how do I get started? What is it all about? Um, your first start would be, in my opinion, is to purchase this book. I am the creator of this book. It's Medical Billing and Coding Q&A. And in this book, it tells you step by step what billing is about, what coding is about, HMO, PPO, 5-digit codes, 3-digit codes, subcategories. This kind of gives you an insight on what you would be doing in the classroom. I'm trying to open the book so you can see a couple of pages. I have light shining it right in my face, so I can't really show you what I want to, but you can get this book on Amazon.com. Just type in my name, Lisa Lambert, and you should see this book pop up. This cover, this book, and my name is here, Lisa Lambert. Okay. There's tons of stuff in this book that you can just kind of read. And I mean, it takes like 1 hour to read this book to give you an insight on what my course is about. And that's why I created this book for people who are not familiar with medical billing and coding. The classes there are about 20 classes or so, 21 classes. It's based on a CPT book. It's based on a CPC exam. So what you see in this book is similar to what you will see in the classroom. It's just a squeezed out short version of an understanding of CPC coding, medical billing, medical terminology. So those are the gist of what you're going to get in the classroom. And it's mainly physiology, anatomy, and definitely coding. But remember, you guys, this course is not just so you will take your CPC. You can take this course as many times as you want to. I don't lock you out or anything like that. If you feel like you haven't gotten enough in the first session, come back and join the second session. Ms. Lambert, I didn't get enough. I will enroll you into the next session. There's no charge. You can take the course as many times as you want to. I'm the type of person, I have to see something 100 times before I actually get it. And some people are like that. Some people are visual, some people can read something one time and they can get it, but there are some people who need, a little bit more. So in the course, everything is outlined in this book. Mostly what's outlined here is what you're going to see when you start opening your courses. There is a video that is going to come on right after this one. I think I scheduled it for 7 o'clock. And I did kind of break down how you get into the class, the price of the class, the promos, how to use the promo, how to navigate through your course. You'll see all that at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to do this as a premiere. The other one will come on right after. Okay. So again, this book is on Amazon.com. Now, there is another chapter to this. It's going to be in the Black Sapphire section. I'm going to eventually do a series, but I need to make sure you guys are taking any classes and the courses that you're getting now. That semester, that session is over. January 9th is the next session. Make sure you guys get on that next section. This is part of the next session. This is the schedule I've already made for next year. So those of you who have not registered, go ahead and register. Get your courses. January 9th, I'm going to start the live courses. Now, in the video you're going to see tonight, I know I talked about how I could give more to YouTube and how we can do the classes more, which we're going to do. I think I came up with an awesome idea how I can be more consistent on YouTube and how you guys can get the material easier by utilizing YouTube. So I believe I'm going to do the Zoom, and then we'll put the classes on the class Zoom on YouTube, which is on Wednesday and Saturday. Those are the live Zooms for the courses. I'm going to go over how we're going to do that. I haven't quite pinpointed the full outline of how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to, I know that I'm going to do the classes for the YouTube. You guys are looking in there and you guys are wondering, well, where's the classes? Where's the classes? I don't do full classes on YouTube because I don't know, a year ago, last year, 2 years ago, I can only put like 15 minutes, 20 minutes on YouTube, but now it looks like I'm able to put like 60 minutes and more. So because some of the classes, the Zooms are like 2 hours, like medicine. I need a minute to go through that. So I can't do it in 15 minutes and then put it here. That's why I just put the videos right in the Sapphire Coding classroom. But we're going to figure that out. But the first part, you guys will have the full classes next year. The classes are starting on January 9th. I'm going to definitely try to get that into the Zoom so you guys can follow it just like as if you were in a classroom. You send me an email, lisa.lambert@sapphirecoding.com if you get stuck. Okay, so how long is this email? I tried to stop looking at the time when I'm doing the videos, but of course I'm looking at time. I don't want to go more than 20 minutes. So some of you, I know you guys are coming from work and you got to get to kind of settle down. So that's why I usually kind of set the videos for 7 o'clock. But there is also a PowerPoint that I have on there, constant reading of the PowerPoint. It's just kind of get you used to what the classes are. And remember, there is a promo code there. I have extended the promo code throughout the new year. The promo code is, the program is 100% free. Just get on it and see how you can navigate through it. That's an independent. When you go on before the classes start, it's totally independent. You do what you need to do exactly the directives that I give you, and you will retain. So I'm working on something with Amazon to create the series so that you guys can purchase the series that way. And then I probably would be able to do it on YouTube. I don't know. I'm still trying to work out how we can do the classes on YouTube. But you guys have to subscribe. I have to have more subscribers to get the time that I need. So that would be a blessing. So please subscribe below. Hit the bell so you guys can know when I'm coming on. Again, I know I have been coming on all the time. But again, we'll try to get, more consistent so that you guys can get more information, and then you're coming in just like you're coming into a classroom. So if it's Wednesday and I'm doing a Zoom at 7 o'clock, I'm going to be expecting you to be on. If you're not, when I go in, just clue in and I'll be on. You also can get on to the Zoom. The orientation has the Zoom code where you guys can also just come in on the Zoom live before I put it on YouTube. When I put it on YouTube, it's not live, but I'm on, so you guys can respond and I'll respond to you, or you can send me some messages and I'll respond to you. So that's pretty much what that's about. I did want to look at the schedule. I just want to show you. Okay, so Wednesday is the Zoom. The medical billing Zoom is Wednesday from 2 to 4. I may change that because I know some of you guys are working, so I'm going to have to change it to when you guys are getting up at work. Remember, this course was made by students for students. You let me know how you want to do this course, and that's how we're going to do it. Medical terminology, that Zoom is from 5 to 7. I will change the hours if they are not good. I do have to change them because some of you are working. The Saturday Zoom is at 11 to 1, and then there's another one from 2 to 3. So this is what's going to go on YouTube. Okay, so the CPC coding exercises, that Zoom is 2 to 3 p.m. on Saturday. I'm just going by one schedule. This is the first week. The first week is medical billing and medical terminology, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, coding, how to use ICD 10-CM. That's at 11 o'clock. That's the first week, the first session. Okay, so I'm going to put it on, I'm going to put it on YouTube. That's just some of the courses. If you guys go into the classroom, look in the orientation, you can see that. I'm going to put that on the Zoom too, so you can see that again. We'll be more consistent. We'll be more consistent because I have more time on my hands, so I can do this a little bit more for YouTube. Those of you who are on YouTube, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. And also check out my Instagram, Sapphire Physician Coding. My Instagram has everything. I have so many wonderful people on my Instagram. I mean, you're talking about coders and billers from all over the place, teachers, instructors, XYZ, hospitals, everything is there. Go to my Instagram and look at whatever you want to look at on there. And I post stuff on my Instagram all the time, especially the promo codes. I always put them on Instagram first. Okay, so I'm down 20 minutes. I'm going to shut this off. But again, make sure you guys get my book. Okay. I have promo codes with the book too, where I, send it out for free or something. But right now, go to Amazon.com. You can type in Lisa Lambert, you'll find my book, or you can put in medical, billing, and coding Q&A, and Lisa Lambert should pop up. There might be 2 or 3 other people named Lisa Lambert, but you know that this is the book once you go on. Okay, and this will give you guys that are beginners a great insight on what is medical billing and coding. How can I master this? How can I do this at home? I had one employee, she's still employed. She does the coding for a multitude of providers in different states. And she does 3 hours for this one, 3 hours for that one, 4 hours for that one. So, that's her own thing. That's how she wants to work. But, read the book and it'll give you a better insight. So I'm going to sign off. Subscribe below so you guys can get more information. Okay. And go to that Instagram. Again, my website is www.sapphirephysiciancoding.org, and the other one is www.sapphirecoding.com. The sapphirecoding.com, that's where the courses are. So you can purchase the courses from there. Okay, I'm going to sign off and I'll see you next time. Look out for that video tonight. It's coming at 7 o'clock.